Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to delete your Skype account. So if you want to delete your Skype account, first of all open up your Skype application. After opening your Skype application, tap on the profile icon which is on the top, and after tapping on your profile icon, tap on settings, and after tapping on settings, tap on account and profile, and in the bottom second option you can see close your account. Just tap on that. So after tapping on that option, you can read if you like, and then tap on next. And after tapping on next, tick every single box. Check, and after checking every single box, select the reason why you would like to delete your account. Just tap on mark account for closure. And after doing that, you can see you have deleted your account successfully. So this is how you delete your Microsoft Skype account. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.